Moving on now, moving on. Yeah, man. So they're supposed to run over him, you know? Yeah, bro. So just stick and stay and watch what go on. Morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV, and we just have a jump right in the news. Yeah, man. We're gonna see what go on, what go on.
Hey boy, get up now. You better move, guys. You're moving on me and run this over here now. Run me and run this. Answer me now, move. You have to kill me. You have to blood clot kill me. We don't move. We don't go nowhere. I feel me blood clot feed me. This why you feed me. Here when me hungry, you give me food. When me hungry, you give me food. Me now move a blood clot. You have to come haul me out of your son. A free country, a free will. Me have a right to lie down on the ground if you want. My clothes and me a buy my fab. And me a buy my fab soap.
No, sir. In my little and then people to blow out. This?
Look like he them here. Yeah?
You have buy the wash pan.
I have buy the wash pan. Yeah?
You have been sent to a school.
I have sent 50 guys school.
You know so much about them, right?
No, sir. Me need to go cross. We need to go cross, cause it's serious.
When you ask what law have you broken before you give no info about a living man.
The Road Traffic Act is giving it certain powers. We are along the roadway, sir. We observe your motor vehicle coming, and we observe that the tint on your motor vehicle is obscuring your vision based on the Road Traffic Act, and so we have pulled you over. We have pulled you over. We have an examiner here who is going to examine the vehicle to ensure that you are in keeping with the Road Traffic Act. So based on that, now we are now requesting for you to provide the documents for your vehicle and documents to identify yourself as the driver of the motor vehicle. Failure to do so, sir, I'm going to place you in custody until I can get your true identity as to who you are and the legality of you operating.
Alright, so based on that what you just said,
Yes, sir.
I am reserving all my rights. No, I listen to you now. Can I get my record, you know?
Yes, sir.
So I'm reserving all my rights,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I'm not waiving any rights.
No, sir.
And $500,000 hour if you seize my automobile. And if you're gonna detain me, let me finish.
Yes,
If you're gonna detain me,
Yes, sir.
I need to see a judge today.
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
I'm going to arrest you. I'm going to arrest you, sir. And you can call. It's available.
What is going on in these churches of today?
Everything on this earth is going to be destroyed. Jesus is a bread of life. He changed the manna to become a bread of life. His bread of life never destroy, never spoil. He's alive every day and he's new every day. Only jealous Jesus Christ's life and his character, and you shall live, 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 and you will prosper. All this you are jealous in will pass away. Car will pass away. My brother, my sisters, don't jealous me and insult me. Tomorrow I will go flat. I will leave this high heel for you. I will not wear it again. I'm wearing it today. Be happy because of me, because I'm also wearing it. Jesus Christ, he will make you great than what you are seeing and envy.